call us to order at 6:11 p.m. We will go through our call to order and declaration of a quorum. Was this Secretary
Yes.
Sampson? Was this meeting properly posted?
Yes.
This workshop, excuse me. And do we have a quorum?
Yeah, I think so. See most of the people. I see Matt. He right in front of me.
Yep.
But he don't count.
He's like,
Without Matt, we don't have
nothing. Yeah, without Matt, nothing happens. Are you kidding? Okay, so 6:11 p.m. on Wednesday, June 17th. Due to the health and safety concerns related to the COVID-19 coronavirus, this workshop will be conducted by video conference and/or telephone call. We do have a quorum of the board participating by video conference in accordance with the provisions of section 2551.125 or 551.127 of the Texas Government Code that have not been suspended by order of the governor, but the governor has suspended certain provisions of the Open Meetings Act to accommodate meetings by video conference. Members of the public may access the meeting from the district's website at goosecreek.net/page/board meeting. Okay, we have called to order and will proceed with item 2 on the agenda, which is our board workshop. This board workshop is a preparatory meeting for superintendent's summative evaluation. And we will proceed into closed session per, what is it, Augustine? I know you have it memorized. 571.071.
1501031.
Oh, late. Look at that. It's 551.071.
Bam.
Of the sections of the Texas Open Meetings Act. 0.072, 0.073, 0.074, 0.075, 0.076, 0.082, 0.083, 0.084, and 0.087. No actions will be taken by the board in closed session. And the time is 6:14 p.m. We will reconvene this open session at 8:12 p.m. Okay, so I guess what we need to do, Miss Noemi, is discuss some future dates.
Okay.
That's not on the agenda, but it's in preparation for evaluation, etc.
Okay.
July 6th at our next regular meeting, we will put on the agenda in closed session to have our evaluation, our summative, and we would like to schedule our formal evaluation at a special meeting on July 13th, which is a Monday at 6 p.m. with Dr. O'Brien.
Okay.
Moving forward on the calendar, we are interested in setting a date with Dr. Cleveland after July 17th. I know if you could get us some dates for his availability. We did notice that he is doing an SLI section, so we encourage board members to attend that. But for the board and administrative team to have training with Dr. Cleveland together, I think is what the intention of the board. If I'm wrong, correct me.
Yes.
So if you can get us some dates for that.
Okay, will do.
Okay, and I think we covered everything else last Monday about future board agenda items. Is there anything that we wanted to add to that for the July meeting or the subsequent August meeting or even the special meeting for July 13th? If there's any items like that, if you would get them to me or Miss Noemi before those dates.
can I ask a question
I don't see why not.
pertaining to what we were discussing with Lee College? Are we gonna know when that's gonna be solidified for us?
I believe Dr. Villanueva was talking about their meeting. The Board of Regents is meeting on Thursday of this week.
Okay.
And the MOU that we signed on Monday night with them would be presented to the Lee College Board of Regents this Thursday. So hopefully we would have a positive outcome by Thursday night, Friday, the
Okay.
results of their, if they're able to make a decision. Is there anything else the board wishes to add to board workshop? Going once, going twice. I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Mr. Clem, seconded by Mrs. Guy. Any opposed? Be quiet. All in favor, raise your right hand. Or say aye.
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 So all in favor, that means none opposed, none abstaining, and meeting is adjourned at 8:15 p.m. on 6/17/2020.